Guys, giving you an update on the shield spray wrap. Short. Can't really tell the difference, but I mean our Subaru paint does suck. I have some soap here. Unsprayed, sprayed, and can't tell any difference. And it's just smooth. But I did notice like stuff that I guess I need to. Yeah, there's some like specks that actually stuck to the clear coat, but it didn't get stuck to. So these are like pears, seedless pears from this dumb tree that's right above my car. And I did notice that it does land on my car, and on the paint side it actually does stick right on top of it, but it doesn't really stick to the other side, the hood. Oh, my biggest concern is actually removing it because I can't feel the end of it. Because I didn't put enough layers, or I made it too thick, or I made the corners too good. I can't feel the end, so I don't know how the hell I'm gonna like peel it and peel it off, and like, yeah. So I'm kind of worried about that. But maybe if I just, I don't know, maybe it'll just be an easy peel off. I'll figure it out. Let's see. If you didn't take a picture after you wash your car, did you really wash your car? No! Gotta post on the Instagram. My new car! Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye-bye.